I decided to put myself in the videos again, at least this one. I got accused of being AI in the last one. I'm not AI. I know you're saying that's just what AI would say, but let's face it, if I were AI, I would be both younger and better looking. I do use AI. The images you see in these videos are generated by AI. I hope that's obvious. It's been in the description notes if it's not. And these Roland expansion videos are very similar by design. The whole goal is to let you compare from one to the other. So that's why they have this repetitive nature. Today we're going to listen to the Slingerland Vintage 1958 expansion pack. This was one of the last packs I downloaded and played with, and I was pleasantly surprised by it. They did a great job capturing the open resonance and clean sounds of this kit. It fits in nicely with the boutique kits in the Wood Room expansion, and it nicely expands the palette of sounds you have available. Well worth giving it a try. The samples come from a single 9 by 13 inch rack tom, 2 floor toms. One is 16 by 16 and the other is 16 by 18. The kick drum is 14 by 22. There are 2 snare drums, a Slingerland Studio King 5 by 14 with a maple shell and a DW Collector Series copper snare 4.5 by 14 inch. Like the other videos in this series, we're going to listen to a sample of each drum loaded into a default kit with the tuning set to 0 and no EQ or compression. No surprises there. Then we'll listen to the kick, snare, and toms via the short MIDI fill sample I recorded. I've played it back and sent it to the V71 so you can have a direct comparison of each kit. There are no cymbals played in the demo. This is the same MIDI fill that's been used in all these videos. As each kit is played, you'll see an image with a table showing you the layers, tuning, muffling, and shell size for each drum. If there are extra drums layered into the sound, you'll see additional drums on the floor representing those. Let's give it a listen.